Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin on the verge of a massive breakout. Stay tuned to find out the key levels. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin being on the verge of a massive breakout and the key levels to keep an eye on. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter, the Crypto Love. Push that like button. And today, Fear and Greed 48, up from yesterday's 47, last week's 44. The overall market up almost 1% today. Bitcoin at 27,195, Ethereum at 1685, BNB at 215, XRP 51 cents, Solana $22, Dogecoin 26 cents, Cardano 26 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, and Tron 8 cents. And Bitcoin right now sitting at the crux of this wedge we have been keeping our eye on for the past few weeks, bound to break out within about 9 days. But as you can see right here, Bitcoin is testing the upper bounds of it. And I have overlaid this green bar pattern because the last time that Bitcoin was below all three of these moving averages, the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages, and broke above the 50, this is what it did. Okay, that would put us at $50,000 by January. So we could be looking at an absolutely massive run to come, especially as we're testing the upper levels of this wedge. And we only have about a week until we have a definite breakout of that wedge. Now, it's a timely breakout because guess what month we're in? Yeah, that's right, Rocktober, historically an amazing month for Bitcoin. You can see here on average up 25% in October for Bitcoin. Absolutely massive. And following Rocktober is November, historically up 35%. So 2 massive months for Bitcoin coming. And this chart kind of just tells everything as to what could potentially be going on. I don't exactly know what's going on with this chart, but some people think price could go down, okay? And they're allowed to have their opinions. But if we take a look, when Bitcoin's UTXOs in loss break the trend and go parabolic, do you just wait for more loss? The drop to 25,000 was the highest loss spike seen since the 2020 Black Swan return to lows. Now, similarly, there was a UTXO breakout at the 2015 return to lows. So this would suggest that the $25,000 price that we saw was the 2023 return to lows, and losses can't go much higher. Ipso facto, when we have this breakout, it would likely head up. Now, Bitcoin is about to make a move. Many on-chain metrics and momentum oscillation indicators that we're going to break out in October like we did in previous years. You can see peak, hammer down, breakout. Peak, hammer down, breakout. Well, check this out. Peak, hammer down. We are on the verge of a breakout. Should we break above mid 27,000? Yikes, things are about to explode because everything is lined up for a massive Bitcoin run. A three-pronged signal which preceded each of Bitcoin's 4 all-time high setting runs is already happened. We had a break above the 20-month moving average, the monthly MACD bull cross, and the monthly vortex bull cross, and global liquidity proxy with a 3.5-year cycle. All of these indicating the bottom's in. We're just waiting until the next part of that cycle. We have this hidden bullish divergence that picked out, guess what, that run before $10,000 to $65,000 for Bitcoin. The commitment of traders is an excellent indicator of analyzing market sentiment. A hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame started to form. Last time such a divergence occurred in 2020, a rally started. Look at this. Price going up, COT going down. Well, guess what? Eventually breakout, and we see the same type of thing occurring right now. Not only that, but the rate of change of 1-year HODL waves, very much suggesting what we saw back here in 2015, 2016, before a 100x Bitcoin run. You can see everything here lining up similarly right now. 100x Bitcoin run, that would be a $2.7 million Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin and altcoin dominance lining up. We can see with the impulse tops and the beginning of the curve lining up with the breakthrough of dominance. Well, same thing occurring once again, suggesting parabolic curve. Here we come. So all of these indicators are looking amazing for Bitcoin. Breakout within 9 days. What are the levels you need to keep an eye on? Well, the first two levels of utmost importance is 27,275. That is the level that we would need to reclaim in order to say, hey, this is our local monthly resistance. Above that, $30,500 would be the first line of resistance we might encounter, breaking through the 27.2. Now, to the downside, there is support at $23,400. And if things do turn out as bullish as we have seen the last time Bitcoin has broken above the 50-day moving average, well, the levels to really keep an eye on, because it would be likely within the next few weeks we will break through these first two levels, $35,000 and also $58,900 would be the massive levels for Bitcoin resistance. So that being said, things are looking great. I can't wait, but I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.